viewers, welcome my new video. This video I will show how to fix Microsoft Office 2021 activation failed problem. If you try many way before but not work, you can try this way. I hope you can solve your problem. So watch full video. Let's get started. At first you check your computer or laptop internet connection because this way must want internet connection. And second, you check if have open Microsoft any apps, close the wall Microsoft Office. Then you go your PC, this PC, then click local disk Windows C and you find Microsoft Office folder. So check this file or this file. Okay, I check this file. Okay, here no here, so I will check another file. I check this file, program files. Yeah, I got it, Microsoft Office. You find Microsoft Office folder, then enter and then open the folder Office 16 and you click the file location path and click the right button and copy the text, then minimize, go back and you come search bar and here type CMD, then here click run as administrator, then click yes. So open that page, you type here CD space paste your copy path and hit the enter. Okay, then you type here CSCRIPT C script space OSPP dot VBS space slash SETHST clone KMS dot 03 K dot org. I give this text on the screen and I give this text description. Okay, type finish, then hit the enter. Just wait. See here, processing successfully appealed setting, and you again here type CSCRIPT C script space OSPP dot BBS space web slash ACT. You check if correct or wrong, you write C script. C script space OSPP .bbs space slash act. This text I give on the screen and description. Check. So when you try finish and hit the enter, just wait and you see here successfully message. So it's work. See here product activation successfully. So that's it. My work is finished. Then close. Then open Microsoft Word, Excel, anything. See here, good. See here, good, no problem. Okay, I take new blank book. See, now I can work. So viewers, today no more. If you feel this video helpful for you, please like, comment, share and do subscribe. Thank you. See you another video. Allah Hafiz.